Meaning of increment.
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 Increment. Increment is a mathematical term that refers to an increase in the value of something. It can be used to describe a variety of situations where a quantity or measure is being gradually increased in a systematic way. For example, in programming, variables can be incremented by adding a fixed value to them. In mathematics, increment is often used when calculating the difference between two values. Overall, increment is a useful concept for tracking changes over time and measuring progress towards a goal.